It's Saturday morning here in Eugene, Oregon, and I thought I would share with you, I just got my rake. I ordered a rake on Temu. I thought I was going to stop shopping on Temu because of those tariffs, but I guess they're on hold, so I got myself a rake. Let's put it together. I got a couple other things too I'll share, but in another video. Let's check this rake out. There it is in the box. So this is seems pretty sturdy. Steel. Okay. So we have move some things out of the way here. We have instructions. So I should have the top and 3 different poles. Let's see, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. All right, so I got 4 poles. That's funny because it shows the top. Oh, looks like this top should be longer. So maybe it's showing with the pole in it. I don't know. Anyway, bottom rod rake and middle rod. Oh, interesting. It's supposed to just snap onto the pole. Looks like connect the rake and all the rods into one unit by twisting method as shown in the sequence. Okay, so let's do it. So, oh, I can fold it up. Oh, that's interesting. I don't think I even knew that. All right. I don't know if you can see me. Hopefully you can. Put this together. Okay. Guess I'll find out when I go to edit the video. Says you can. I think you're supposed to be able to expand it, but leaf shape switch controls the rake's opening and closing size. Turn on the switch to adjust the rake opening and closing, and then turn off the rake. Oh. Oh, look. You push it up, and then you shrink it down. That's pretty cool. Like that. You have a small area, a large area. It's still not so big. I did see a rake at the thrift store, but it was big and it was all like loose and would need repairs. I mean, I could have repaired it, I guess, but this is cool. Okay. There doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason. Let's see. All these poles look exactly the same. Oh, here's the top. This is the handle. Okay. So I guess I could decide how long I want it. Twisting on. It said twist on. Oh, the wrong way. There we go. Let's see. I guess I have to decide how tall I want this. Because look I think they gave me an extra pole. Oh. Look, if I use all these poles, look how long it would be. Oh, this would be good for washing the windows. They're all coming apart. There we go. No, that's too tall. Oh. It seems like one of the blue things should go here. But these things can be a little confusing. The instructions aren't like real explanatory. Oh, my hand. Carpal tunnel. Oh, I shouldn't do that. So, trying to figure out which. Let's see. Seems like one of these should go on here, but I don't. No, I guess not. I think they put the wrong male to female in here. Because it's not. Yeah, look, the picture makes it look really long. But who needs it that long? Wow. I guess adjustable. Alright, well, one of these doesn't have a blue cover. I wonder if these come off. No, those don't come off. Okay, so I'm going to put this one on here. I think they just forgot to put the blue thing on here, which, it's not worth complaining about. I guess I have an extra pole for someone else who's taller than me is doing the raking. I I don't want it that tall. We're just going to make it this tall. So this is a perfect size for me. Yep, it works. There's my rake. And I can adjust it how I want. There. Alright, I got a rake. That's a nice rake. It was only, I don't know, $11 or something on Temu. That's pretty good. Pretty well made. Alright. Well, I have an extra piece. So I'm going to put it out in the garage, out in the shed. I always save the box and the packaging, just in case the first time I use it or something goes wrong. Alright, the next package, I'll go ahead and share one more package with you. There's one more, which is going to be another video, but might as well go ahead and, this one's all wet because it's raining. This package is just, because, you know, sometimes you forget what you order if it takes a long time for it to get here. What is this? This is, oh, insect netting to go over my plants. This is to keep the bugs out of my little baby garden plants. So that's it. That's what I got today.